Started. Yes. Yes, started. I think you can see it. Yeah. The question is, we are going to discuss no voice. Okay, now see here. Bit blur is there. We'll see. Check it out. Voice is coming, sir. Okay. So here, the another question. Another question we are going to discuss. The another question. That is, another question we are taking. What is that? A bit lag is there. Yeah. Empirical formula क्वेश्चन मला घ्यायचा होता. अजून काही प्रॅक्टिस प्रॉब्लेम, सम ऑर्गॅनिक प्रॉब्लेम्स. It is lagging. Okay. Sir, you are audible, but screen is blur. Now please check it out. You will get it. Now again it is okay. Okay. Lagging. Total lag. Now clear. Some people got clear. Lag. Okay. Clear. Okay. Clear. Okay. Today, the question we are going to take is from inorganic. इनऑर्गॅनिकचा एक प्रॉब्लेम आहे. आतापर्यंत आपण इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला साठी, फॉर इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला यू हॅव गिवन till now I think you have given. Do you know what you have given for empirical formula? For empirical formula you have given the organic. For empirical formula you had given organic example. ऑर्गॅनिकचा एक्झाम्पल दिलं, जिथं कार्बन, हायड्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन असे हे घेतलेले आपण. आता इनऑर्गॅनिकचा एक प्रॉब्लेम घेऊया. इनऑर्गॅनिक. सी one compound is there, compound with molar mass, compound is with molar mass 159. The compound is with molar mass 159. एक कंपाउंड दिलाय, त्याचा मास 159 आहे. गिवन डाटा आहे 159 मोलार मास. Molecular weight of that compound 159. So it contains, it is given, see, it contains 39.62% copper. 39.62% copper is given. The compound contains 39.62% carbon or copper. Copper is given. Then 20.13% sulfur. 20.13% sulfur, and we have to find its molecular formula. Please see. Okay, it will be clear now. Okay, Still blur. Okay. Ah. 1 minute. We'll wait. We'll wait. Okay, we'll wait. आज क्या बोल रहे हैं ओम भाई को? ओम भाई सर एनसीईआरटी बुक मध्येच आहे ना एक्स्ट्रा. Okay, now you are clear. It will be solved, Swaraj. It will be solved. ठीक है. Don't worry. See, the standard example have been given. And remember, whatever we have to take, because those are very important questions. And even solved and unsolved, all questions we have to take. So let us see. Here, copper is given, sir. Copper 39.62%. Then again, sulfur is there. Oxygen is not given, but you can find oxygen. Oxygen is not given, but you can find oxygen. Yes, you are right. Okay. Please see now. Now it is clear or buffering. Just see. Wait for 2 minutes. Blur. Totally blur. Okay. We'll wait. See. We'll wait. Priya Pawar, we will wait for some few minutes. And then once it is clear, we'll start. Okay. Okay. Many people are getting it clearly, I think. Now, okay, Aditya. मेरे एक्सप्लेनेशन से वो ब्लर हो जाता है. Very good. Aditya is saying, I start explaining, it starts blurring. I will explain the question again. The question is a solved question actually. Actually a solved question, Vedika. The question is, they have given molar mass, 159 molar mass they have given. And with that, they have given the percentage of copper and sulfur. Then what we have to do? First step we have to do, check whether the sum of the percentages is 100 or not. What you are going to do? Check whether the sum of the percentages is 100 or not. चलो चेक करो फिर, सम ऑफ द परसेंटेजेस 100 है कि नहीं, चेक करो आप. चलो चेक करो. देखो आपने क्या किया, 39.62 एंड 20.13 है ना. 39.62 but it is not 100. Then what we have to do? It happens. Okay. Here, what we have to do? Copper and sulfur you add. Percentage of copper and sulfur add करा तुम्ही. Percentage of copper and sulfur add करा. Add केल्यानंतर 100 येत नाही. मग रिमेनिंग पर्सेंटेज कोणाचा असतो? ऑक्सिजनचा. Therefore 100 minus 100 मधून तेवढं मायनस करून घ्या ऑक्सिजनचा पर्सेंटेज. The percentage of oxygen you are getting is 40.25, isn't it? And now the first step you have to do, the relative number of atoms you want to find. You have to find the relative number of atoms. What do you want to find? The relative number of atoms. ठीक है ना? The relative number of atoms कसं करतात ते? Relative number of atoms percentageचा number of atoms मध्ये कसं convert करायचं? How to convert the percentage into number of atoms? How to convert the percentage into number of atoms? How to convert? You have to divide it by, or we can say relative number of atoms. Relative number of atoms साठी काय करायचं? Divide it by atomic. Divide it by atomic number. Very good. Divide it by atomic number. Divide it by atomic number. ठीक है? So atomic number ने divide करायचं का atomic mass? Don't get confused. I said atomic number. No, it is atomic mass. So divide it by atomic. Atharva Pawar, don't divide it by atomic number. You divide it by atomic mass. You divide it by atomic number. No, Gayatri. No, Gayatri. Shreya. Swaraj. You divide it by atomic mass. So here, in such examples, काय करतात माहिती काय? Mass of copper, sulfur वगैरे देऊन ठेवतात तुम्हाला. Masses, atomic mass of copper, sulfur, oxygen, they provide with the atomic masses. So you take this. Cu is given 63, Cu is given 63, then sulfur is given 32, then we have got oxygen 16. Oxygen is what? 16 grams they have got. Oxygen, they have given the 16 grams of oxygen. Is that clear to you? Yes. Now, relative number of atoms काढणं म्हणजे काय काढणं? Relative number of atoms means what you are doing? The given percentage you are divided by atomic mass. You atomic mass ने divide केलं 0.629 उत्तर आलेलं आहे 0.629. Here also 0.629, 2.51. आता एक महत्वाची चीज तुम्हाला मी सांगतो. ह्याच्यामध्ये कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करत असताना you can do the rough calculations initially. है ना? JEE मेन्स नीटला वगैरे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स जे आहेत ना, कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करत असताना काय करतात माहिती आहे? What they do? They have cancellation methods. They give the cancellation method. है ना? आणि तिथे लॉग टेबल यूज करून करायची गरज नाहीये. But while solving in boards, है ना? And solving in boards, what we have to do? 1 minute, it is lagging again. Let me check. It is lagging. Okay. ठीक है. Now what you have done, relative number of atoms तुम्ही काढलेला आहे. Relative number of atoms you have drawn. You have found out the relative number of atoms. You have done the relative number of atoms, right? You've done the is blur. Okay. Yes, continue. ठीक आहे. तर रिलेटिव्ह नंबर ऑफ ऍटम्स जे काढलेले आहे ना ते पुन्हा लिहिलेलं आहे. स्टेप टू मध्ये जे उत्तर आलेलं आहे, तर स्टेप टू मध्ये जे उत्तर आलेलं आहे, दॅट स्टेप टू व्हॅल्यूज अगेन यू आर रायटिंग. स्टेप टू व्हॅल्यूज अगेन यू आर रायटिंग. स्टेप टू व्हॅल्यूज आहेत. द स्टेप टू व्हॅल्यूज अगेन यू आर रायटिंग. स्टेप टू मध्ये सगळ्यात सिम्पलेस्ट व्हॅल्यू कुठली? स्टेप टू मध्ये व्हेरी व्हेरी सिंपल व्हॅल्यू. इन स्टेप टू, विच इज द सिम्पलेस्ट व्हॅल्यू? Very good, very good, very good. Aditya Jagtap, correct. You are right, Aditya, you are right. Correct. You have to divide it by the simplest value. Now let us check from this the simplest value. Which is the simplest value here? In this, what is the simplest value? 0.629, 0.629. This 0.629 is the simplest value. हा 0.629 आहे ना, या 0.629 ने सगळ्यांना डिवाइड करा. बाळांनो काय करा? 0.629 ने सगळ्याला सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज ना 0.629 ने डिवाइड केला, you will get the what? Simplest ratio. You will get the simplest ratio. है ना? You will get the simplest ratio. So divide it by 0.629, you will get the simplest ratio. So therefore 0.629 divided by 0.629, this is 1. Again 0.629 divided by 0.1. And could you see this value? Here that 1.14 वगैरे येतो. Round it off. 1.14 येतो ना, त्याला तुम्ही राउंड इट ऑफ करा. यू राउंड इट ऑफ. Yes or no? Okay, you can round it off. है ना? Okay. What is the issue? One second, we'll see. See, then what we do is copper simplest ratio or simplest ratio is copper. We are having 1. Copper चा simplest ratio 1 आहे. Sulfur चा simplest ratio 1 आहे, है ना? And then oxygen has the simplest ratio, that is Hmm. Okay. Voice is clear. Hmm. Screen is blurred. Voice is clear. Okay. We are going to take it. Empirical formula of an organic compound is the formula that shows the smallest whole number ratio of the number of atoms of each element. Correct. We have defined it already. Empirical formula is the simplest ratio. We have already defined. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Hmm. Now I think 1 minute. We'll do one adjustment here. We'll do one adjustment. Today's adjustment. है ना? Voice clear, screen blur. Okay, now it is clear, I think. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Clear. Again getting blur. 1 minute. What we will do, you see. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Clear? Just see. Okay. Now it is clear. Now you check out this. Okay. Here, what is the, please tell me. Here you will get 4. You will get 4 here. Isn't it? 4 you get. And then you tell me what is the relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula. What is the relationship between empirical and molecular formula? Come on, tell me. You all tell me the relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula. Write it. What is, okay, please see what is the empirical formula. Correct. Who has written that? 2 into 9? Vedika, no. 2 into empirical formula, how you are writing? Molecular formula is equal to main relation. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. See here, 1 minute. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Are you getting this? Now n you have to find it out. n find out करायचं आहे. बरोबर आहे ना? Correct. Now you are all correct. बरोबर आहे. काय होतं बघा, मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला इज इक्वल टू एन इंटू इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला जे लिहिता ना, एन काढायचंय. यू हॅव टू फाइंड द एन. यू हॅव टू फाइंड द एन. मग एन कसं काढायचं सांगा बघू प्लीज. टेल मी हाऊ टू फाइंड एन. इंटिजर व्हॅल्यू कशी काढायची सांगा. हाऊ टू फाइंड एन, यू टेल मी. टेल मी. Molecular weight upon empirical weight, you are right. Molecular weight upon empirical weight, you are right. Molecular weight upon empirical weight, you are right. Let us see. आता काय करायचं, इम्पिरिकल वेट कसं काढणार तुम्ही. इम्पिरिकल वेट, हाऊ टू फाइंड द इम्पिरिकल वेट. ऍड दीज वेट्स, व्हॉट एव्हर वेट्स. इथं बघा, कॉपर एक आहे, सल्फर एक आहे, आणि ऑक्सिजन 4 आहेत. कॉपर 1, सल्फर 1, ऑक्सिजन 4. कॉपर 1, सल्फर 1, ऑक्सिजन 4. म्हणजे कॉपर सल्फेट असं मिळतो. कॉपर सल्फेट, बरोबर आहे. इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला देखील कॉपर सल्फेटचा म्हणजे CuSO4 इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला आलाय. तो इम्पिरिकल वेटचं हे करा, 63 प्लस 32 plus 16. Then what value you are getting, you see? है ना? What value you are getting here? So the empirical weight you are getting is, say, 63 plus 32 plus 16, you are getting like this. है ना? So here 11. 1, 1, 1, 1 you are getting, I think. Is that clear? How much? 159 you are getting the value. 159. How come? How come you are getting 159? 1 minute. 63, 32, and again 16. 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. Right. You are right. 16 4s are 64. Okay. And this value is 9. And this is 15. 159 empirical weight आला. 159 empirical weight आला, बरोबर ना. Very nice. Empirical weight is 159. So what is N? N is equal to molecular weight upon empirical weight. बघा, N इंटू काय, मॉलिक्युलर वेट किंवा मोलार मास अपॉन इम्पिरिकल वेट. किती सोपं झालं बघा, किती सोपं आहे. सो 159 डिवायडेड बाय 159. 159 डिवायडेड बाय 159 है ना. इट विल बी 1. इट विल बी 1. देयरफॉर बघा काय होतंय तो. व्हॉट हॅपन्स यू सी. व्हॉट हॅपन्स यू सी. molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. बरोबर आहे. सो मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला काढायचे. N1 आहे. इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला ऑलरेडी CuSO4 आहे. is equal to CuSO4. That is CuSO4. Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay. So now just listen. Now just listen what I say. Just listen what I say. Just listen. Can you listen? Just listen. Listen. Can you hear it? Can you hear me? Can you hear me properly? Can you hear me? Now what we will do, 1 minute, what we will do, whatever problems they have been given in notes, that problems you solve of empirical formula. Problems of empirical formula and molecular formula, you solve it as a homework today, along with NCERT and state text. State text is मी दिलेला आहे, बरोबर आहे? Are you getting? So please see, please solve the problems on empirical formula and molecular formula as the homework from notes. From notes you solve, and from CBSE and NCERT you solve. Okay, and we will discuss all the empirical formula and molecular formula tomorrow. All right, and then we will start limiting and excess reactants. Limiting and excess reactants. So thank you very much. So it is today, I think very much problem is there. Okay. Okay. So there in your this thing is given in your notes. The problems are there. Yeah.